In today's video, we will discuss few numericals related to spherical lens. Spherical lens means we will consider convex lens or we are going to consider concave lens. And lens formula, this is giving a relation between distance of object, distance of image from optical center and focal length. So lens formula is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u, where u, v, f all are going to be sign sensitive. We must take care of sign associated with u, v and f. Magnification formula for spherical lens is given by m is equal to h dash upon h is equal to v upon u. M is representing magnification, h dash is representing size of image, h is representing size of object. So magnification is ratio of size of image to size of object. This is also equal to image distance divided by object distance. So these two formulas we have to make use in solving numericals related with spherical lens. Let us consider statement of first question. A 2 cm tall object is placed perpendicular to principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 10 cm. The distance of object from the lens is 15 cm. Find nature, position and size of image and also find magnification. So where we have to focus first is what is given to us and what is asked. What is given? A 2 cm tall object. It means this is given the size of object. So this is given h to us. H is 2 cm. Is placed perpendicular to principal axis of a convex lens. Lens given is convex like this. And object is perpendicular to principal axis means this angle is going to be 90 degree. And focal length of convex lens is given 10 cm. It should be known to us, or we should keep this in our mind, that focal length of a convex lens always we are going to consider positive. So when I will write focal length will be 10 cm, sign will be positive. So positive you write or you don't write, it is understood. Then distance of object from the lens, this is given u. Distance of object from the lens, this is this distance given from this point to optical center u. This distance is given 15 cm. With u we will use negative sign because this distance we are going to measure from optical center towards this side, and ray of light is going from this side to this side. So both these directions are opposite. All the distances which will be in this direction, they will be positive, and all the distance that you will measure opposite to direction of incident ray of light, they will be coming out to be with a negative sign. So distance of object will come out to be with a negative sign. So u is equal to minus 15 cm. Nature is asked. So nature question mark. Position means v, distance of image question mark, and size is asked means h dash size of image question mark, and magnification m. So for magnification also we are going to have question mark. Now if ray diagrams are clear to you, an idea about answer will come in your mind. In this case, the focal length is given to be 10 cm. And object is kept at a distance of 15 cm. It means if this is 10, distance of 2f will be 20. So object is kept between f1 and 2f1. And when we have done ray diagrams, then we know that if object is between f1 and 2f1, then image is formed on another side beyond 2f2. Image is enlarged, it is real, it is inverted. So an idea of answer will be magnification should come with a negative sign because image is going to be real and inverted. It is enlarged, so magnitude of magnification should be greater than 1. And in this case your image formation will be beyond 2f2. So your answer should be greater than 20 cm and it should be with positive sign. So all these things without solving should be in your mind by the knowledge of ray diagrams that we have done. Let us solve the numerical and see whether these conditions or these expectations are fulfilled or not. Lens formula is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. Put value of v 1 upon 10. Put value of f, that is 10. So here it will come 1 upon 10. 1 upon v as it is, negative sign. U is also with negative sign. So I have written in denominator 1 upon minus 15. This negative will become plus. So this is 1 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon 15. When you will shift 15 this side, 1 upon v will be equal to 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon 15. LCM will be 30. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 30. When you will take reciprocal, because this is giving 1 upon v. 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon 30. So v will be equal to 30 centimeter. So position of image is 30 centimeter. On which side? On another side of lens. And this distance is coming out to be with a positive sign. When we will find magnification m is equal to h dash upon h. This is equal to v upon u. Put value of v 30, u minus 15. So magnification is coming minus 2. It means the size of image will be double than the size of object. See here, magnification is coming with a negative sign as expected, and magnitude of magnification means magnification magnitude is 2 and this is greater than 1. The negative sign will show that image is going to be real and inverted. Magnification is greater than 1, it means this is enlarged, and also this v is coming out to be greater than 20 centimeter, that is 30 centimeter. Let us find the size of image also. So h dash upon h will be equal to minus 2. H dash will be equal to minus 2 multiplied by 2. So h dash will come minus 4 centimeter. It means h dash is perpendicular to principal axis but below this. And your object was perpendicular to principal axis but was kept above the principal axis. Image will be below the principal axis. So in this case you will consider h dash is coming out to be minus 4. Size, if you will consider only magnitude, then this will be 4 centimeter. If you will consider whether it is going to be inverted, then in that case minus will also be there. So size of image minus 4 centimeter. Position of image 30 centimeter, and as m is with a negative sign, so it will show that image is real, inverted and enlarged. Next question, we are going to have a concave lens is given with focal length 15 centimeter and it is going to form an image at a distance of 10 centimeter from the lens. How far is the object from the lens? So which lens is given to us? Concave. As concave lens you will read, it should automatically enter in your mind that focal length of a concave lens is always negative. So f is going to be minus 15 centimeter. It forms an image at 10 centimeter from the lens. So with image, which sign will you use? Positive sign or negative sign? In this case, with image distance, I will use negative sign, because when we have done ray diagram, we have considered, we have seen that image formed by concave lens is always virtual, erect, and it is formed on the same side where the object is kept. So V will come out to be minus 10 centimeter. What is asked from us? See, this V, U, F, they are very much sign sensitive. So we must take care which sign should be assigned to what. If your image formation is virtual and erect, V is coming out to be with a negative sign. If your image formation is going to be real and inverted, V will come out to be with positive sign. We have to find U in this case. So when we are using lens formula, 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. Put value of f minus 1 upon 15, value of v 1 upon minus 10 minus 1 upon u. So when you will solve it, 1 upon u will be equal to 1 upon minus 10 plus 1 upon 15. This is minus 1 upon 30. So u is going to be minus 30 centimeter. And if you will find magnification, in this case magnification should be positive and its magnitude should be less than 1, because image formation will be smaller than the size of object. So m will be v upon u. Put value minus 10 minus 30 1 upon 3, which is less than 1. Positive sign shows that image formation is erect and virtual, and as this is less than 1, so image is going to be smaller than the size of object. Now I will consider this question. This one. This you can try on your own. A 5 cm tall object is placed perpendicular to principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 20 cm. The distance of object from the lens is 15 cm. Find nature, position and size of image. Also draw the ray diagram. Sometimes this question comes as it is. Sometimes this question is still here, that by doing numerical you find out all the things. Sometimes they don't ask you to solve the numerical. They simply ask draw the diagram using suitable scale, and from the diagram only tell the answer about nature, position and size of image formed. In that case they will give you marks only for diagram and solution of the answer using diagram. For calculation part they don't consider this part. If in the question it is asked that with the help of diagram solve this question. Let us do this question numerically and then we will solve this question with the help of diagram. What is given? 5 cm tall object, means this is given size of object. So h is 5 cm. Kept perpendicular to the plane of principal axis using a convex lens. Convex lens means focal length is going to be positive 20 cm. So focal length is 20 cm. The distance of object from the lens u is minus 15 cm. So in this case object is kept between optical center and focal length. And if ray diagrams are clear in your mind, then it will automatically click in your mind that as object is between optical center and focus, so image formation will be virtual, erect and large, and it will be formed on the same side where the object is kept. Let us see whether this answer is or what is the idea in our mind is coming out to be right or not. Lens formula 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. Put value of focal length, object distance. 1 upon 20 will be equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon minus 15. So this negative will be positive. So 1 upon 20 minus 1 upon 15 will be 1 upon v. When you will solve it, take reciprocal or cross multiplication, v will be minus 60 centimeter. So m is equal to h dash upon h, that is equal to v upon u. Put value of v and u in this equation. V is minus 60, u is minus 15. So m will be 4. See, this 4 is coming with a positive sign. So sign of m will tell you about the nature of image. Positive sign means image is virtual and erect. And if it is negative, then image will be real and inverted. In this case, our image will be virtual and erect. Again, to find size of image, h dash upon h is equal to 4. So h dash will be 4h. So this will come out to be 20 centimeter. So nature is virtual erect. Size of image is 20 centimeter. And position of object is, image is 60 centimeter on the same side of object. Let us see with the help of diagram same answer is coming or not. This diagram like this, I will keep the sheet. So in this diagram with suitable scale you have to draw. Here size of everything is given in multiple of 5. So I considered 5 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So focal length is given to be 20 centimeters. So from optical center this is 8. This is focal length 4 centimeter. So 20 centimeter is equal to 4 centimeter here. Similarly, this 2f1 will be 8 centimeter, and object is kept at a distance of 15 centimeter. So 15 centimeter will change for me as 3 centimeter. So I kept the object from optical center at 3 centimeter. Size of object is 5 centimeter. So this arrow is of length 1 centimeter. So object is between optical center and focus. Suitable scale we have taken for us 5 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So focus is at a distance of 4 centimeter. 2F is at a distance of 8 centimeter. Object is at a distance of 3 centimeter. One ray of light parallel to principal axis. After refraction it will pass through focus. Another ray of light passing through optical center will go undeviated. So no chance that they will meet each other this side. So we are producing them with the help of scale in backward direction. And at this point they are going to meet with each other. So this will give us idea about size of image, and distance between O to A dash will give us idea about distance of image. So if your diagram is exact, then whatever your calculations are with the help of numerical, the same value will come out here also. If I will find here distance of image, then this distance of image, distance from optical center, then this distance is coming out to be 12 centimeter. So for us 1 centimeter was 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter will be equal to 60 centimeter. So image will be formed at a distance of 60 centimeter. This 60 and this 60 both are going to be same. Image is above principal axis, virtual and erect. So nature is virtual and erect. And what will be the size? Size, see, this is coming out to be 4 centimeter. From this arrow till here 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter means 1 centimeter is equal to 4 centimeter. 5 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 5 centimeter. So 4 centimeter will be equal to 20 centimeter. So size of image is 20 centimeter. Same answer was coming when we have solved numerically. If your diagram is exact, then also diagram will give you the same value of distance of image, idea about size of image, and the nature of image. So sometimes 3-mark question with the help of diagram only, and sometimes 3-mark question with the help of numerical. So these things will become more and more clear to you with practice of numericals. So do more and more practice of numericals and things will become clear.